had to. It box to the shop. Ain't no limit to the ball, and I'ma break them all proper. Pull up in a brand new coupe with a brand new chopper. Baby J call me Big Papa, bad bitch stopper, hot shit talker. Skinny and some rock, graduated from the talk, and I love getting topper, cause I came from the bottom.
Welcome back to Good Stock Options Tutorial. Today we're gonna learn how to chart pre-market so we can maximize our profit. There's some ranges going. As you can see, I charted yesterday on the 7th. These peach color lines. It's better to start even closer to opening bell so you can get a more accurate reading of the day. So far for the 8th, we only got from 9:15 to like 9:05. As the time go on, it'll move around. Just like yesterday, we had 9:30 to 9:20 to begin with. Let some time tick. If I zoom out, boom, we got from about 5 a.m. to 8 a.m. The ranges change. So we want to wait until it gets closer to opening bell, and that's when we'll tap our screen, open up our pencils in the morning, get our price levels click, boom, boom. We'll click. We'll get that that support, excuse me. I kind of round, so I'm paying on mine. But you can go all the way to the bottom, that's fine. Get your support and get your resistance at the top. Boom. That's kind of rounded out for me, so I ain't have to. The closer it gets to the top of this range, it's bullish. The closer it gets to the bottom of this range, it's bearish. So this way you can kind of see your ranges, which is very important when you trade in options or day trading stock, whatever you like to do, whatever you into. You want to know your ranges for the day. And a lot of that can be determined by pre-market. Although this is not the final say-so, it can help a lot. As you can see, I can see the top and the bottom of these ranges for the day. I'll delete that. Here's the day. So once it came out of this range from pre-market, I automatically know, boom, it's bearish. And once it broke up through these ranges at the top, broke the resistance from that morning in pre-market, I said, boom, it's bullish. And as you can see, we got double bottoms at 9:20. So if you were kind of used to charting and kind of got a feel for the stock, you would have known, okay, this been trading at these levels. It got this much volume, and you can correlate that with the next move. It's a calculate as we go game, but at the same time, it's kind of a sign or a signal, especially if you've been watching it for a minute, to go ahead and get ready to maybe get you some calls or get you some equity. And then you can ride that up from that 9:20 to 9:47. That's $27. That's a good accumulation for a morning. And it's Tesla, so it moves a lot more. So that's trading your pre-market ranges. that's charting your pre-market ranges. Same thing. That's what you're gonna do when you're day trading. When you're day trading, you're pretty much gonna read pre-market ranges. Of course, news and volume matters as well, but we can kind of correlate all those to make a educated decision on our next move. And if we've been trading those ranges, we would have known, okay, 920, we may be able to get in here, especially with the previous days and the strength looking the way it was looking. Okay, it might bounce here. It bounced. Okay, I might want to buy some puts at 947 because I've been watching it, and I know lately we've been accumulating on lower levels than usual. So I've been watching it. So I know it went under 800 recently. I know earnings just came, so I know it's got some strength in it because the earnings weren't terrible. All those little factors tie into your decision. I just kind of go with the flow. If it looks strong, it's strong. If it look weak, it's weak. Like if you look back at 126, it was weak. It was falling under levels. It was falling under levels. Next day, it's totally under the level. Good strong bar, not just a peak under there. Then it drops on the 28th. Get some recovery. You know what I'm saying? I think the earnings were the 26th, if I'm not mistaken, maybe the 27th. So yeah, they had a good buy-in up into earnings. So you gotta account for all that as you make your decision. So we know it was strong from the 24th up until the 26th. Peaked out on the 26th around 980. Start pulling back. Look at the volume move as the bars get strong and weak. They correlate. Boom. 28th. We bottom out. What it seems is we bottom out. I guess they like, okay, that's enough. And if you've been watching Tesla, those kind of some early 2021 levels. So we got resistances meeting up with supports. So, boom, we're watching all those levels. All that has a hand in the mentality you should have going into charting this pre-market. All of that should have a tie into the mentality of the decision, you make after you chart this, after you chart the pre-market. So boom, there you go. Charting pre-market so we can get some ranges, so we can know what we're trading at. We're going to get this charted today. I might start charting in a couple hours. Might get a little bit more rest. I'm up, ready to work, but you know, after you finish your checklist, you work hard, you can sleep hard. So yeah, there we go. We in there. We got levels on deck for yesterday, and we made decisions off of that. And that's how you do it. All right. Like and subscribe if you find the information helpful. Thank you for joining me. It's good stock options.